Millions of Americans are facing deadlines as vaccine mandates take effect. As of today, about 67% of adults in this country are fully vaccinated. CBS's Tom Hanson is in New York, where jobs are on the line, right, Tom?
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Jerika. Here at the nation's largest school system, 1 out of every 10 teachers in New York City is unvaccinated, but tomorrow will be the first day that every teacher will be required to have at least 1 dose.
When schools open Monday, Roxanne Rizzi could face suspension from her teaching job.
I liken this to psychological warfare.
All 148,000 New York City school employees were required to get their first shot by last Friday after losing legal appeals.
If I do decide to do this, I will never stop fighting unless I am dead. I will never stop fighting for my coworkers who won't do it.
In Washington, Monday is the deadline for state workers to show they've had their shots, and a similar deadline passed in Connecticut. A new study found unvaccinated Americans 8 times more likely to test positive for COVID. Dr. Anthony Fauci said on Face the Nation, mandates make sense.
I think that the emergent nature of what we're dealing with actually does justify that.
West Virginia is struggling with one of the highest infection rates in the country. But when it comes to vaccine mandates for school children, Governor Jim Justice says not a chance.
From the standpoint of mandates, I don't believe in imposing upon our freedoms over and over and over.
New York's school mandate goes into effect as children are increasingly at risk. The CDC says hospitalization of patients 4 years and under is at the highest rate so far in the pandemic.
And states and cities are bracing for potential fallout in the form of worker shortages. The state of Connecticut even deploying the National Guard as potential replacements for unvaccinated workers. Jerika.
Wow. Tom Hanson for us tonight. Thank you.